to my channel Think Creative. Today we are here with a new concept, that is a science experiment. It's a toddler experiment. You can practice it at home also. It's very easy. A combination of baking soda, dish soap and water and color as if your kid likes, and as well as vinegar. It forms an eruption, volcano eruption. How does it forms? Let's see a little toddler experiment. Come on. Hello Titi.
Hello, Mama.
Ready to learn a science experiment?
Yes.
You'll have lots of fun today. Come on. Now, first we are going to add baking soda in this.
बेकिंग सोडा में हम पानी डालेंगे.
So baking soda in this. Now we are going to add a liquid soap. Any liquid soap which you have.
Bubble.
2, 3.
But
Very good. Now add water in this. Little water. Now we'll add colors in this. Okay?
green color. पहले green color देते हैं.
Okay.
सब green color.
No. Okay. Now outside.
पानी डालेंगे.
Now we'll
Mix.
mix it.
Okay. अब इसमें पानी डालेंगे.
Vinegar. What is it?
Vinegar.
Yes, you have to add vinegar in this. You're going to add.
Vinegar.
Add it in the green color. Add it. Put it. Yes. More green. Add it in this. Yes, very good. See how volcano eruption is formed? Yay! Add it in the orange color. Yay! Add it in the red color. Yay! Enjoy. See how the volcano eruption is formed. This is green color volcano. This is orange color volcano, and this is red color volcano. So good. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching our videos. Please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.